Hello ladies and gentlemen, back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean and restore a PS1 or PS2 controller. So let's get into it. Start by flipping it over and then you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws which you need to remove. Okay, so once you've removed the screws you can simply lift off the back like so, and it should come off. Beware, you may hit some resistance here. Just pull them out like so, and then the back is free. Put that off to one side. You want to clean that a bit later. Now you can remove the L and R1 buttons like so. Oh, that plastic piece come off, but never mind, we'll just put that on later. And you'll see this screw here which you need to remove, so remove that. Okay, so once you've removed the screw, you can simply lift up both of the vibration motors, like so. And then you will see on this side there's a screw, but there isn't a screw on this side, so just remove that one screw. Okay, so once you've removed the screw, I think you can just lift up the board, and it'll come straight out. And on this side, if you have a membrane stuck to it, just pull that off. And with these two analog sticks, what you want to do is you just want to pull them both off and give them a clean, and then you can put the board to one side. Once you got to this piece, just simply go like that, get all the buttons and everything out. They need to pull this out, and then just give all of this a very good cleaning, because it's very disgusting and it's got a lot of gunk and stuff in it, as you can see. Like, you may or may not be able to see, especially this side. Oh yeah, there's loads of crap in between the cracks where the two plastics meet, so yeah, just give them a clean. Also, I forgot to mention, if on your controller you're having to push the buttons really hard for them to work, chances are your membranes are like this. You see they've got a very good shine to them, and this is the case with these other membranes as well. They've got a bit of a shine to them, and that is bad because it won't make good electrical contacts with the contacts. So what you want to do is you just want to grab a piece of paper like this, and then grab your membrane and then just push up on it so it protrudes through the membrane, and then just run it along the paper, and you'll see a black line like this. Oh, sorry. See a black line like this, and if you compare, well, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, if you compare that to the other contacts, it won't be as shiny. So just make sure that your membrane has a dull finish to it, like this. Focus. There you go. See, that one's very shiny, and that one's very dull. You want to make sure that it's dull, not shiny. So just do that for all the other contacts on the membrane. Okay, so once you've done that and all your plastic is now nice and clean and dry, you can now start putting it back together. So what you want to do is you want to grab this front piece here and grab all your face buttons like this, and then just pop them in. The good thing is there's like notches, as you might be able to see, so then you don't get mixed up about where the button goes and all that. So just keep them rotating until you find it, and just do this for all the other buttons, and the D-pad as well. So let me just do that. Get this membrane piece, pop that in there for your start and select an analog button, and you'll grab your D-pad here, pop that down and grab this white plastic piece, put that down like so, and then you can finally grab your membranes and pop them in like so, and then I think that's it for that part. And then you just want to grab your clear piece for your analog light and just slide that in like so, and then I think you just grab your board and everything and just simply lay it down. Oh no, I'm being an idiot, sorry. What you're going to do is you want to grab your analog sticks and put one on there and one on there like so, and grab your plastic piece for your vibration motor and simply lay it down like so. Just sit it down into a bit like that, and then grab this screw with, looks like it's got a wash on the end, but I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. It's just got a little, like a ring around the edge. Just pop that in to that screw hole in there. Okay, so once you've got that in place, you can then grab your board and simply lay it down like so. It will actually fit in, which it should do. The easiest way I find to do it is put it behind that piece of plastic like so, and just simply sit it into place. Might have to scoot it in a bit, but you'll get the idea. Damn, it's really hard. There you go. That wasn't so hard. Pop the vibration motor in on this side, and you can do it on this side as well, like so. Put your analog. Oh, my analog sticks have fallen out. That's great. Yep, like so. Oh no. Come on. Fit into place. Please. Yep, there you go. And then you want to grab this screw and put it back where it was. Once you've put the screws in, you can pop in your shoulder button membranes. Just pop them on like so, and then you want to grab this piece of plastic here. Ooh. and then just drop it on like so till it snaps into place, and then you can do that for the other one. Once you've done that, just simply position it into place. Just get into the correct position like so. Do this for the other one. There's basically like a, not sure how well you're going to see that, but there's like a line, and that's where the board, well, not the board, but these pieces of plastic go, so you can just line it up easily like so. There you go, it's lined up, and then you can put it on the top. Once you've done that, then you can put on this back piece of plastic, which I'm just about to do. What you want to do is just grab this back piece and then just sit it on top of the thing like so, but make sure this wire isn't like in the way or anything. It's good to just route it round like so, and then sit on the back piece of plastic till it fits into place. Give it a little squeeze. Should fit together with some squeezing. Make sure the shoulder buttons work fine, which I believe that they do. If they're a bit mushy and you don't think they're working, just simply take it off and then try again until you get it. Once you've done that, you can put your 7 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just do that. Once you've done that, our final step is to put in the L1 and R1 buttons into place. I find the easiest way is to just simply slide them into place and just try and fiddle around until you can fit them in. There you go, they're in, and I found the easiest way to do it was to loosen up these 3 screws on each side and kind of like open it up and just fit them in. But I've put all the screws back in and look, looks very nice. It fully works, and it's just all that gunk has gone, all the grime has gone out the text, all out the arrows on the buttons. So yeah guys, that is how to clean and restore an original PlayStation or PlayStation 2 controller. So if you did enjoy this video guys, please give a like and comment that you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, please comment down below and subscribe to stay tuned for my upload that I output. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.